Got here in ano nga ba to?
Let's go.
5:30 in the morning na.
5:40 na ha.
5:40.
Hi.
Outfit check.
Gagawin. Dapat nga tumaas kayo eh. Naman ng mga to, hindi nakikiko-overate. Mom, na ba?
Guys, ano naiiyak ako? Badal ka dito. Hindi naman stable yung ano nyo. Ano ba yung strawberry na may chocolate?
Strawberry chocolate.
Ano yun? Ako. Human drone.
His laugh you die for, his laugh you die for, the kind that colors the sky. Heart intangible, slips away faster than dandelion fluff in the sunlight. And he's got swirls of passion in his eyes, uncovering the dreams he dreams at night. As much and hard as he tries to hide, I can see right through, see right through. His voice you melt for, he says my name black, I fade away somehow if he's too loud. What I would give for
Picture gusto ko.
I'm gonna write Kuya is
Bigyan pa yung kuya ko picture. Hey guys, say hi. Hello, sa'yo. So we're going to do the spider... Ay! Anong gagawin? Whole course. We're going to do the whole course. Have you seen the whole course? Are you ready, Kuya Lester? Are you ready, Bang Bang? Kasi guys, mag-harness na po kami. Ay, paano ba? Baliktad pala.
I can't press it.
Can I see? High five. Aray, ito naman.
Jollibee. Kamay ni Jollibee. Tatlo lang. Apat. Anim na.
Yan, hindi ko masuot. Ate kayo suot mo.
Sino?
Hi muna kayo dyan.
Twitter ka.
Hi. So, anong last message mo?
Ayun, last week.
You understand it?
Inherit ang legacy ko.
Kinakabahan ka bang?
Nanay ko. 12 Pro Max,
Inaantok ako eh.
256 gigabyte.
Si Ate Jess, ayaw rin mag-try.
Ay, Ate Jess, punta ka dito. Anda yan.
Kuya Lester, say hi to Philippines. Hello.
Say hi to Philippines.
Video.
Hi, vlog!
Try.
Natatakot siya, kinakabahan siya.
Akin nakabahan.
May matay siya.
Salamin.
Okay guys. Okay, bago tayo nagsimula, everybody ba nakakaintindi ng Tagalog? No. Sige. T-harness, meron yung dalawang carabiner. Okay, paki-remove and make sure your line is not twisted. And orient your line. Okay. Can you introduce yourself?
Introduce yourself daw!
Tumatalon si Kuya eh.
Kahit niya, touch yung inyong carabiner, i-attach yun na lapit na ng oppositely direction. Okay, patingin ng magkasalungat ng carabiner. You see, opposite.
Bakit ka no? Hindi abot.
Sa bakal, patong sa bakal. Patong. Abot. Ma'am, halika ma'am, abutin mo ito ma'am. Ay, hindi pala, wala ka namang harness.
Abot.
Sige, mag-harness. Yan, safe ka na dyan ha, huwag ka na aakyat. Can I go first? Me.
Nagalaw! Oh my God! Wala yan!
Huwag ka malikot.
Hoy, hindi mo pa kinakabit yung ano mo, Ina.
Nakakabit na?
Ah, nakakabit na. Joke lang.
Louie, kunin mo yung social.
Ah.
Malapit na ako.
Ano sabi mo kay Kuya kanina?
Ano?
Paano ka tataas?
Paano ako tataas?
Kasi,
Natatakot ako. Magandang hapon po.
andito po tayo sa Treasure
Dito po tayo
Mountain.
sa Treasure Mount.
At kasalukuyang
At kasulukan.
kasalukuyang
Hi.
Wow!
Basic.
Hi, girls. Kuya, wait. Pupunta kami sa playground. Sa init. Wait. Tara po sa... Tara! Dito sa slide. Wee!
Sakit.
We're going to
Into art.
dito guys. So, kanina muntik na ginugulo kami ni Kuya. Balik to data to. We are at Pinto Art Museum.
Hindi nyo natatalong, pero art lovers kami.
Hulo.
Art lovers yan, no? Excited. Excited na. Kailan na yan, Kel? Horror movie? Sige nga, sample.
Tayong dadasaran. Hindi baka masira ako.
Ang kulit mo, Kel.
Nature Environmental Gallery 1.
Let's go there.
Mga cloud chaser po kami. Let's go.
Opo.
Parang nakakatakot.
Kasi?
Kasi yung mga higaan, parang yung mga napoposes.
Ano
Yun
na?
yung higaan nila.
Parang si Kel kanina.
Coconut nut is a giant nut.
Scary.
No, nice painting.
Very scary.
Very nice painting. Alin yun nasa taas.
Ay kaya.
Tayo tayo.
Kaya tayo. Magtanong. What song are you listening to?
I'm currently listening to... Yes.
Pwede pong magtanong. What song are you listening to?
I'm listening to Raining in Manila by Kapok Joe.
It's been raining in Manila. I miss. What are you doing for a living?
Magpa-cute po.
Miss. What are you doing for a living?
Ako po ay isang nanay.
So, yung may exit. Ano yung exit?
Gutom na. Hi to my vlog. Are you vlogging? For your TikTok?
You're not Dylan Thomas, I'm not Patti Smith. This ain't the Chelsea Hotel. We're modern idiots, and who's gonna hold it?
Yung na creepy only, okay? So, may nakakatakot na mga all statues are creepy. And let's go up another roof. I think this is it. My God.
Kamukha ni Bong, guys. Type yes if kamukha ni Bong.
Nobody